Simplify by factoring. Assume that x is non-negative. We have the square root of 27 times x to the 6th. What we want to do is factor 27 into a perfect square and another factor. So we would rewrite 27 as 9 times 3. So we have the square root of 9 times 3 times x to the 6th power. Now we can write this as the square root of 9 times the square root of 3 times the square root of x to the 6th power. The square root of 9 is 3. Let me skip now to the square root of x to the 6th. That's equal to x cubed. And then we have the square root of 3. So it's 3x cubed times the square root of 3.